hakasian baningkong Menteri Rangba kontrat ke sangma ulahiar syapen ursla batur sadu Shnong Tangmang ka Shnong balatang bat mang kerpang ban lait nakasau kasian bat nakijing kerwet jang Khubor maryang kani ka Shnong kadon hajarong lum bat Shakilu o jongka la ban yoi kendiang yaki pentha kari Bangladesh da ka jingkmen hipai ba jongka ni ka Shnong kila pediang burom me ka jingwan jingo bat jingwan yu kejat jong Menteri Rangba kontrat ke sangma hakasin baningkong hakani ka Shnong Menteri Rangba ula anglengo ban yoi yaka jing tibet bat jing pena kti jong ki brio ka ni ka Shnong hakikam than shilya shang pedung mula bat ki jat tiar da ki scan bat ki sit ula yapmat ya ki jing itenat jong ki tiar 3 baki brio ka ni ka Shnong ki penmi Menteri Rangba ula thet kat padon ki tiar bat ula penslur ya ki officer ban le kumjo knang bakin ais ngo bha da ki tiar shaki paralok para jor jong ki Mardor ula Kular ban play ya ka bamboo handicraft training center Tangmang knang ban penne penem bat ban penjanai shu yaki sap ki phong jong kini kinong than 3 batbet jong kajela ula ongru kini ki pro jabeng bat ki kti batbet kinlong kinong hikai hakane ka handicraft training center haka jingem mir jingmud bat ki pat ba halor ki kampen roi khamta me ki scheme CM connect Menteri Rangba ula Kular banyarap bat ban play bon kilat ki self help group bat ki seng terimon ngobha ki bakentiu ki kam ki jam kilat khai pateng bat ki kam than tiar da ki 3 uwe ukna school ula u ki kamra school bakila khapnya palan marmar Menteri Rangba ula Kular ban thau thamai ya ka Tangmang secondary school khnang baki khna school kinyo ya ka school ka bakulun
yeah so you can just give a number to my OSD you just take his number down yeah the number and the other school the third school also you give and then we'll be in touch whatever possible I'll see you give me application whether it's extension of building or something or some music instruments for the children or some desks or some furniture Delhi dignitaries like even when I go every time to meet any minister so I'm taking every time the same turmeric products and all those things which is great but why not if I take the mats mats are something people will one side, all come from one side. Can you come here? Spare button. Oh. The three master. The other one. Okay. It's good because each one is right, sir. This is the tool outside. You want to explain to us? Or you explain? Yeah.
These are seats. So many.
This being my first visit out here, I am pretty sure, I would like to know, in fact, if this is the first time that any chief minister has come to Tangmang village.
Historically ông bà kadika kasin ka bringkong baywan ma ihan ne Tangmang ti kwa ban tip silang bani Rangba Shnong hatu by day first chief minister ban wan hangani ka Shnong.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. That makes this particular trip and this visit even more special to me. And I'm once again very grateful to all of you for having given me such a warm welcome. We have always believed that development has to be holistic development and overall development. So while we need large infrastructures, better roads, better connectivity, at the same time, we have to do work that touches the lives of individuals and makes a difference in people's lives. That is why there are many programs that we have started where we are helping our farmers, helping our women's self-help groups, helping our youth and the public in general to improve their overall livelihood and to be able to raise their overall livelihood. The program to support the weavers that we are seeing here today is exactly part of that vision that we have, and I'm happy to see that we are able to support our women self-help groups and different SHGs as well as VOs and cooperative societies who are working in this. Since this is the first time that I have come here, and since this is the first time that any Chief Minister has come here, it is only proper that we leave you with some gift.
Namar kani kadi kasin ka baningkong kaba isay wanyo Kjat kani ka Shillong ba unjo kadi kasin ka baningkong ba Chief Minister hi Khuborjylla wanyo Kjat kani ka Shillong kalong ka badon kam ba nin ie no hangnya po Shillong ya ijing ai supha iba khindiat.
So let me promise you and give my commitment that I will be putting up the Handicraft Training Building Center out here, along with all the equipments that you require, and also facility for people to come and stay for the training that will be required. I am very happy to see how the community is involving itself and working together and working in a way that is going to help each and every section of society. As a government, we have always believed that government will do its part and government will bring different developments. But the government's work cannot succeed unless the community is involved in the work that we do. Which school is this?
Secondary school.
Tangmang. Is the one you mentioned, no? Yes, sir. Okay. That's it?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What's your name? Your name? You didn't tell us your name. Tell us your name. People will like to know your name. What class are you in?
10.
Class 10. Very nice. Very good suggestion. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful to see our young children so confident and come up and speak in front of Chief Minister and put in their memorandum or their request. And we do this because we believe that the Chief Minister shouldn't just come and give a speech, but Chief Minister has to connect with the people. Chief Minister should listen to the people and should also be able to help the people. So therefore, I really would like to thank our little sister for her request, and definitely because she was so bold and she came forward, I assure you that I will give a school building grant from my side, from Chief Minister's Special Welfare Fund.